how to reset your Xfinity TV remote. And this is going to depend on what kind of remote you have. It's going to be somewhat different, of course. So you're going to have to check whether your remote has a setup button. For XR11 remotes, it usually does have one, while an XR15 remote uses the A and D buttons for resetting. So for, again, an XR15, you can go ahead and press and hold the A plus D together. So you're gonna do that until the light changes from red to green. For an XR11 remote, and the one on the left over here is different. This is an XR15. You're gonna go ahead and find a setup button or a setup button option. So you're gonna have to refer to your manual if it does exist or if it does have one. So you're gonna press the setup button until the light changes from red to green. Then from either remotes, you can go ahead and press the 9 button, 981. So in that specific order, 981. We're just going to go ahead and put some numbers for good reason. And from there, you can go ahead and wait for the status light, since it should blink to confirm that the remote has been factory reset and unpaired from the TV box. And once that is the case, you can go ahead and pair the remote again. Point the remote toward the Xfinity TV box and press the Xfinity button. So you're gonna have to follow the instructions shown on the TV to reconnect the remote. Then once that is done, you can go ahead and test the navigation, the voice, the volume, the mute or power buttons. You also are going to need to program the remote again to control your television or audio equipment. But that's usually for some cases only, and in other cases, it should just do that automatically. But that's pretty much one way you can reset your Xfinity TV remote. So hopefully this video does help. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.